Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Peggy Skincare. So I was supposed to unbox this product. Okay, yeah, I decided to make a short video. First of all, I'm going to make another video introducing this product to you and how it works on the skin. Okay, so I have a lot of skincare product. I have so much, like I cannot, you don't even need to see it. I have my own skincare product made by me based on whitening, lightening, moisturizer, scrubs. I have those. Then I also have other, skincare products which also get for my skin. As you can see, is it going to be an unboxing? I've already removed them from the carton. So if you're having acne or you're having acne prone skin, there are some products in which you need to introduce in your daily routine. Okay, so right now this video is not just explaining this product. I just want to show you some of the products I always order. Okay, here I have my peeling AHA 30%, BHA 2%. Is an exfoliant. Okay, like I said, I won't be explaining this. I just want to show you guys. Here I have my lactic acid 10%. I also have my glycolic acid toner 7%. I also have my retinoid 2%. Okay, here is the one. Okay, here I'd already opened this one. I always buy them 2 each. This one is opened already. This other lactic acid is not opened. So here I have my azelaic acid 10%. Here I have my salicylic acid 2%. Here I have my hyaluronic acid 2%. And I also have an hyaluronic acid here. This one is open because I use them today. Okay, I also have my niacinamide with zinc. Okay, so this is my holy grail, which I always order and always have them. So the next video I'll show you guys how to use these products for acne, for pigmentations. If you're having strong acne, if you're having pigmentation, how to suit these products each in your skincare routine, in your everyday skincare routine, and also in when I say everyday skincare routine, if you're this person that also uses whitening skincare products, I'm going to make a video telling you how to use them. Okay, see you some other time. Bye guys.